All right, there you go. You try to model, but no one reads your opaque code, and it only compiles on a Mac. I criticize, but you don't hear a word I say. You're too addicted to your hacks. But I'll suggest you use a tool, and I'll say, if you remain and never change, you'll stagnate. But I can solve your problem now if you use Tellurium. The sun will shine, the birds will sing when you use Tellurium.
Yeah, baby. We love you, Lucian.
Yes. Now you say that it's you who has much more to lose. Your MATLAB lore is unsurpassed. But raise the stakes. Standard models get reused, and your methods won't get trashed like they were in that previous document. Your H-index could use the boost. I'm just saying. A Scopus search still comes up blank for your name. Forget the shame that you've amassed in your delirium, 'cause all that pain is in the past when you use Tellurium. Check out Tellurium. Python, Roadrunner, antimony, phrase ML. It's all here. You can start it today. You'll find it on our website page, and not some emporium. It models all your species types, from yeast to bacterium. A perfect fit for everyone in this auditorium. I hope this song won't get me banned with some moratorium. So please use Tellurium. Please use Tellurium. Thank you all.
Love you, baby.
I'm amazed that so many words rhyme with Tellurium.
Is it the YouTube?
It may well be.
Okay, how much is it on YouTube?